Wike don't enter into action already. The man no one waste time. Okay guys, this is a very interesting video that we all need to watch because Wike is about to start work. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get our latest videos as soon as we drop them.
The houses are going to be developed by the private developers, which are the laws are giving out for quite a while. To who? To companies that develop the houses.
What agreement you have with the company?
How to just provide infrastructure.
There's no agreement that so if you provide infrastructure, then you give it to them, then they build and sell.
It's been given, it's been allocated, the whole entire place has been allocated.
The point I'm making is this.
They
will be that sell.
Yes.
So what's the central government there?
The provision about affordable, the houses that be affordable.
The government must also benefit from it.
There is no benefit.
Oh no, it is, you can't allow that. How can you say that? How can you take land and give to people to build and sell and make money? Who does that? If you want to have an agreement, you say, look, we can provide.
Your lens are going in now. Sorry. Let us use your lenses.
You can make 67% of the profit, and the government can make development. Who does that?
I think it was this experiences that informed the development of the national. Not here, there's no benefit. But in last one, private sector funds and develop the place.
I cannot agree to this. How much is the contract?
For now,
26.
yes.
How much?
The contract is a total amount of contracts is about 20 billion.
Yes.
20 billion, and which is now revised 25 billion. 85 billion.
When was it awarded?
It was awarded 2014, March 2014.
20-something billion.
Yes,
When was the revised contract approved?
March 2018.
2018. So how much have we paid up to date?
Paid to the details of it.
Who are you telling me this I am?
Yes, sir. We paid.
Yes, sir. This I am. Please stop that.
You pay them
200 something million. Paid actually outstanding amount now. Amount certified so far is 4 billion. Amount paid 4 billion. Then we now have outstanding 20 certified number 220 to 11 certificates is 20 billion. And so far the amount paid to date is 21 billion. So
what will be the balance?
The outstanding balance to date is 2.9 billion.
What is the balance in the contract sum?
That's 21
minus 21 minus 85. That's the 3. With the revised now is 64 billion.
64.
And the percentage completion 21.4%. 25.4%.
So where's the contract?
No,
not this one.
No,
Which one did we have for them?
is the end point.
Where are you?
I'm the
So who am I saying?
everything we did.
So this is not part of what we agreed.
No, it's not.
So what one did we agree with them?
End 20. Jack.
But the ones under is
These are the
come on Monday, receive this place, and then from the south coast, they are under this place. Then we decide what we say will come. That's why
This is
but we have not discussed that.
This is terrible. It's not commendable at all. It's not commendable. First of all, how do you come up with all these contracts when you don't have the money? I mean, look at the count of contracts littered left hand and the center. Are you just awarding for awarding sake, or you award for completion and for good to get the benefit? Since 2001, this contract was awarded.
2014.
14. How many years now?
9 years.
9 good years. What kind of system is this? And this is not 1, it's not 2, it's not 3, it's not 4, it's not 10, it's not 12. We have chosen the ones who have to concentrate and finish. We cannot rush. It's better you take 1 and 2 and finish and move to another one than just putting 1 naira here, 2 naira there, 3 naira there. At the end of the day, nothing has been done. So if we take 3, 4, it's okay. With giving them the time, we want this to be completed with 1 year. And you pay the money. Then you move to the next, not just go on and award contract up and down when it's not in the budget, it's not even released. And you make the contractor to be happy. Variation upon variation upon variation upon variation. But what is killing the authority? It's not the best. Anyway, it's thank God that we have come to see this place and we're not satisfied, and this number of contracts killing the administration. Nobody that, and again, this idea that you are saying that government will not make any profit. I can be spending 85 billion naira to give to private people to develop, and they sell and make money. I say, look, government has no benefit. I've never seen that happening anywhere. If we are going to provide infrastructure, we can always say, okay, you come. This is what we're providing. You build. Whatever profit you make, you share it with the government. Then we go and put 80-something billion now and give to a private person. Who will now sell and make money. We have the land. The land is our own. We also brought money for the infrastructure development. Then somebody comes to build and sell and takes the money into his pocket.
The only thing that they say is only the premium and the ground rent.
And the fact that
what kind of judgment is that? The premium, who has paid? The ground rent, who has paid? Ask me those whether you give the whether they pay the ground rent. How much is the ground rent?
It's even low for this area. It's awful.
We're going to look at one contract for that estimate.
I will not accept this amount. What kind of houses? Is the poor man
affordable for
what do you call affordable?
What do you mean by affordability? Can you describe affordability?
What's called affordability?
That's the one that will be within the reach of the masses.
What are the masses?
What is the design?
When you talk about masses,
it's affordable.
You come and buy a house and say you're
toilets, a house of only 2 toilets, 2-bedroom flat, bungalows, high rise. What are the designs that I hear that makes it affordable? And what is is there a negotiated?
Do you have a plan?
Cost?
Is there any plan for the house?
Is there a negotiated cost with off-takers?
Eventually, when they finish building it, that kind of building that we build is not the kind of building that it's too bogus for too expensive for anybody.
What are you looking at as affordability?
Like
what do you need to go for?
The price.
To show you the affordability.
Well, the initial design was that a 2-bedroom apartment should not be, as at the time it was conceptualized, shouldn't be more than 7-8 million.
7-8 million?
Yes.
So that's for the masses. How many masses will afford 7-8 million?
As of 2016.
You're just making money for the private investors. Anyway, gentlemen, the place we have seen.
Where is the man?
We were the first place we went to. Where was the first place we went to? Okay, we have to go to the roads leading to the VFCC headquarters and the body of benches building. We'll be able to invite the contractor to see us tomorrow so that we'll be able to complete that road, which is very, very important. Important in the sense that headquarters of EFCC is there, so the body of benches building is also there. We're going to Abuja. Like we said, we can't allow Shanties to take over the entire city. And so the government control has done well by making sure that having been destroyed, we are going to protect the place. These miscreants will not go back there to mess up all we have done. Thirdly, we're here as part of the satellite towns. We are not impressed with the arrangement made by the FCT. Government cannot just cough out 85 billion naira and then the land is ours. We are providing all the infrastructures, and then you want to give it out to private developers who will now build and sell. I mean, we think that government must also participate, having provided the land and having provided the infrastructure. And so this kind of arrangement is not commendable at all. We must, if we are partnering with private individuals or developers, the common sense is that you provide the land and also provide infrastructure, and then they come and develop and then make profit. Government can say, okay, we'll take 10%, maybe take 90%, depending on the value. And it is in that case that government will even be involved in determining the prices that the houses will be sold. But when you don't have that kind of arrangement, then the private developers can put the cost at any rate, which is not also, like you said, affordable. You don't know the people that who can afford a house of 7-8 million, and I don't believe so. So all these things we are going to look into it and have a proper plan. We are not going to be awarding contracts for the awarding sake. We'll award contracts that we know we have to finish it and then embark on new contracts. Contracts littered in the FCT is something else. And as I speak to you, you don't even have up to 20% completion. Every contract abandoned because of no money. We will not encourage that. We are going to look at everything. So I thank you for all your support to us and the administration. We will continue to do this. Areas that we are not sure of, we will go and visit and see it for ourselves before we make any commitment to the contractors. Thank you and God bless you.